cannot feel this energy.
I finally added a piece down here, so I closed it off. I sealed the bottom because this enclosure was about 6 inches off the lowest part of the wheel well, not wheel well, but spare tire well. So a lot of bass was getting, at least I assumed, a lot of bass was going underneath and getting trapped. So I finally sealed it off. Not exactly pretty, because the first time I did it pretty, and then realized that the enclosure was ½ inch up or back too far, so I couldn't put the back seats up anymore, maybe ½ inch. So I had to rip it out, literally. I tied straps, like moving straps, around the enclosure, and then tied it to a dumpster, and then drove until it ripped it out. Yeah, crazy, but I couldn't get it out. I tried. Sawzall, because I use this Loc-Tite PL something, not the 3X, not the 8X, not the Max. I mean, I use those too, but for this I use the roof and flashing version, which is phenomenal. I love this stuff because it's flexible, but it's like airtight and watertight. So, but it's disgusting. Makes a mess. Always wear gloves. Always wear protection when using PL. Alright, just want to let you know I've sealed it off, and I didn't get much of a SPL difference. So that's unfortunate. Back to the lab. Later.
You cannot feel this energy.